Vodacom South Africa mobile operator full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Vodacom's plans and services are in the description. Let's get straight to it. Vodacom is South Africa's largest mobile network operator, known for its extensive coverage, fast data speeds, and a wide range of plans catering to individuals, businesses, and enterprise users. It provides prepaid, contract, and top-up options with competitive voice, SMS, and data packages. Vodacom is a leader in 4G LTE coverage and has begun rolling out 5G in major cities, making it one of the best choices for high-speed internet access. Additional services include Vodacom Fiber for home internet, Vodacom Business Solutions, and VodaPay, a mobile payment platform offering financial services. Now let's talk about its strengths. Vodacom has the widest network coverage in South Africa, ensuring reliable service even in rural areas. Its 4G LTE speeds are among the fastest in the country, and its growing 5G network makes it an excellent option for those who need high-performance internet on the go. The company offers a variety of data bundles, including daily, weekly, and monthly options, as well as social media-specific packages for platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. Vodacom's contract plans come with device financing, allowing customers to get the latest smartphones with flexible payment options. Additionally, VodaPay provides digital banking and mobile money services, making it easy for users to send money, pay bills, and shop online. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. Vodacom is one of the most expensive mobile operators in South Africa, with data and contract plans often priced higher than competitors like MTN and Telkom. While the network is reliable, congestion in high-traffic areas can sometimes slow down internet speeds. Customer service reviews are mixed, with some users experiencing long wait times and slow responses to service issues. So is Vodacom the right choice for you? If you want the best network coverage, fast data speeds, and access to 5G, it's a top-tier option. However, if you're on a tight budget, you may find better value with other providers. Check the links in the description for Vodacom's latest plans. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert telecom insights.